What's going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I'm on this website, Branded Surveys. I'm going to do a $10 cash out. Real quick, I'm going to show you how you use this site. It's really a survey site. They have lots of different surveys, but the really good thing about it is there are disqualification points in it. So whenever you attempt a survey, you're going to get points anywhere between 1 to 5 points for each survey that you attempt and you don't qualify for. So, you're going to make money on this site regardless. It's really just up to you and how you qualify for the surveys. So real quick, this is what the site looks like when you log in. As you see, I've successfully logged in, blah, 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 that kind of stuff. Down here, this survey right here, TV studies, this is one that I try to do every single day I'm on here. And it's 35 cents, so it really does add up fast. You'll get your cash out really quick doing this one survey. But the thing is, you have to do it, at a certain amount of time because it's a very easy survey. Everybody qualifies for it, but they only take so many participants on the survey. So it's like, basically, can you believe what happened on TV last night? All it is you just go in there and you find a show that you might have watched yesterday. Even if you didn't watch the show, just pick a show. It's going to ask you some questions, and whether you get the questions right or wrong, all it is like 10 questions. When you're done with the survey, even if you get all 10 questions wrong, it will still credit you. It is really, really easy. But like I said, the hardest part about it is just getting to the survey because it fills up so quick. But it's an easy 35 cents. It's best to do it, early in the morning before people really get going on this site. All right, so really take advantage of that. Of course, they have their surveys up here. You'll see that, it'll show you the time length. But, if you're doing, if you're fast at answering questions, you can get those surveys done a lot faster than that. They do have a daily poll. Have you done any of your do it yourself projects? And every daily poll is 5 cents. That's the highest amount that I've ever seen for a daily poll. So basically, I click yes and submit it. Oh, I got it. Well, it didn't select the answer. So there we go. Click yes. And now I will refresh the page and you'll see my balance goes up. I had $10.45. So when I refresh the page, I should have $10.50 now. Right there. Every point is equivalent to a penny. So, doing the daily poll alone, if you do that every day for a month, that's $1.50 just answering the question. In addition to all the surveys and things like that. They also have different offers that you can do if you go over here to partner surveys. Right now they have Peanut Labs. Peanut Labs is a really good survey provider. Just kind of wait for it to load up, but you guys should be familiar with Peanut Labs. They're very quick surveys. You see here, if I kind of scroll down, a lot of them are 10-minute, 7-minute surveys. So, all paying around like 40 cents. So, that's a really good survey provider for, those guys who don't really qualify for a lot of the tougher surveys. But like I said, I'm going to do a cash out. I have $10.50. I'm going to see if I can cash out all of that. So I'm going to go over here to my points real quick. And right here, go to redeem points. Now, the minimum to cash out on this site is $10. And they have different options that you can cash out with. But me personally, I always do PayPal. I know PayPal is a very popular one for you guys as well. They also have other gift cards. I think Amazon is one of them as well. So you can kind of just keep that in mind. And they also send checks out as well. So I'm going to click redeem points. And how much do I want to cash out? I'm going to actually cash out. I'll leave 50 cents in there. And right now the date is the 9th. But I'll get it in 2 days. I usually get it the next day. it doesn't really take 2 days, but sometimes it does. But 2 days is still not a bad time to wait. I could cash out $10.50, but I'm going to leave 50 cents in there because I like to have some money in my account. That way I get more motivated to get back to the cash out. So all I got to do here is go down to request withdrawal, and just like that, they'll give you that message basically saying it'll take 1 to 2 business days to get to you. You see there's the 50 cents that I have left in my account, and I have 950 points to get until my next cash out. So very easy site to use. Like I said, all you just do is go through the surveys. If you don't qualify, you'll still get disqualification points. Make sure you do that daily poll, get that 5 cents, and do that TV studies, get that 35 cents every day. You can really cash out in this site very, very often. Just doing those tips. Also check out Peanut Labs from time to time. So I just want to show you guys that little cash out real quick, just showing you that it is possible to make money with this app. And or with this website, and I highly encourage you guys to sign up for it. Like I said, the link is all the information you need. The link is in the description for you to sign up for it. Click on the link, get started, create your account, and add this to your routine. All right, easy money out there. Might as well go get it. All right, and if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe, comment, share, like all that good stuff to keep the channel growing. I'm always giving you guys videos of how to make money completely free, never taking any money out of your pocket, never pulling your credit card out, nothing like that. All you're doing is signing up for free websites and free apps and just putting money in your bank account. It's very, very simple to do. So just follow me on this journey by subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell button so you can be notified every time I make a new video. All right, so that's it for this video. And always remember, every penny counts.